Okay, bosses, it's my time of year to play. What that means is I'm not worried about getting views. I'm not worried about what I need to say or the algorithm or searches. Nope, I'm playing around. And what am I playing with? TikTok. I love it. So there's a new feature. I think it was released today or yesterday or something. Either way, it's a voice sound. Here, listen to this. Ask me about my YouTube channel. Ask me about my YouTube channel. Ask me about my YouTube channel. No, I'm playing. I know what I'm doing, but YouTube, trying to feature. Yeah, so that thing was released today and it's trending, so I wanted to try it. Not only did I want to try it, I was like, oh, duh, let me just tell y'all how to do it. So this is how to use the new video effects with TikTok. If you have any other questions, let me know because I'm playing in it and I love it. I have a couple of different profiles. Just a hint, if I'm over there, I'm Nina. It's not socially Nina, it's just Nina. So you're going to see some goofy, silly stuff. Anyways, here's a video on how to use the voice effects. Ciao. Okay, so this is super easy. All you're going to do is go to TikTok, right? So I have it up here. And this is the one that I use, the first one there. I just posted it. But I'm going to click on the plus. You're going to see me. I'm sitting on my couch, right? And you're going to record your video. I can't record it because I'm recording this. So give me a second. Okay, so I'm going to click the button in the top right-hand corner, which says video or voice effects. Okay, here's the chipmunk.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing. I am testing. I am testing.
Anyways. Okay, I'm going to turn this around. Let's just leave it as giant. And basically what you do is you do next and you post it like normal, but that's how you do it. Super duper easy. Make sure you like and subscribe. Happy New Year. I know we're not there yet, but I'm already in 2020. Got my vision, got my goggles on, my bifocals. I don't even have my glasses on. Bye, y'all.